On what grounds could I apply for asylum?
Yes, that's a very good question. Very good in that I see a lot of people who are not eligible for asylum who are applying. Asylum is, in my opinion, one of the most dangerous applications in the entire United States immigration and nationality law. The reason I said that is that it is the only application that where USCIS is mandated to send the applicant to removal proceedings if the asylum application is not approved. So that means you are already on your way out. So if you get to the immigration proceedings and the judge does not believe your story, then you are going to be ordered removed. So that's what makes it dangerous, in my opinion. Having said that, in order to be eligible for asylum, there are certain requirements that must be met. And I'm going to explain this in a layman's language so that whoever is listening to this will understand me. Now, there is something called sovereignty. Every single country in the world is sovereign and they have a responsibility. Every single countries in the world have a form of government. It doesn't matter the type of government, whether it's socialist, capitalist, parliamentary, it doesn't matter. Every country has a form of government. Now, every government have two major responsibilities. The first responsibility is to protect its sovereignty, and that is why they have soldiers. The second responsibility of a government is to protect its citizens, and that is why they have the police. Now, if your life is in danger, is in your home country, or someone is trying to persecute you, or somebody is trying to attack you, your duty is to report to the government. It is the government's responsibility to protect you. It is not Americans' responsibility to protect you, because this is what majority of asylum applicants do. They have a problem in their home country. Rather than report to the government, they come to the US asking the US government to come and protect them. If the government does that, they will be violating your country's sovereignty, and international law does not allow that. Now, if the government that is supposed to protect you, if that government is the one trying to harm you, who do you now report to? You can't report to the same government. So the first requirement for asylum is to show that the harm that you are running away from, that harm is coming from the government of your country or from someone that the government is unable or unwilling to control. That is a mandatory requirement for asylum. That's the first asylum. So if you don't meet that requirement, don't even bother to apply. That is the first one. The second one is that in some cases, the government may have a legitimate reason to persecute you. For example, what if you commit a crime? The government has a responsibility to have you arrested, have you detained. You could be prosecuted. So you cannot go and commit a crime and then run in here, oh, the government is the one trying to persecute me. That is not going to make you eligible for asylum. So in order to be eligible for asylum, you still have to show that the reason that the government is trying to persecute you is at least one of 5 recognized grounds. Those grounds: race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion. Race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion. So you still have to show that the reason the government is trying to persecute you is either because of your race, or because of your religion, or because of your nationality, or because you belong to a particular social group, or they are trying to persecute you because of your political opinion. So you still have to meet those requirements. The third requirement: if you are in the United States, you have to apply for asylum within 1 year of entry. Come to think of it, you are running away from something. You got here, first month you didn't say anything, second month, third month, 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, 1 year, then maybe 2-3 years later you suddenly remember. It doesn't work like that. So those are the requirements for asylum. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Because our desire is to educate as many people as possible, we have decided to go live effective January 2023 so that we'll be able to answer people's specific questions. So please watch out for our live podcast effective January 2023. Thank you.